What happens when an accused murders while already out of bail? In a hard-hitting judgment, the Supreme Court of India set aside a bail order passed by the Madurai bench of Madras High Court, calling it perverse, arbitrary, and a classic case of non-application of judicial mind. This case is not just about bail. It is about abuse of liberty, murder of a key eyewitness, and the limits of judicial lenience. Now the case background. The case dates back to 24 February 2020. Two scheduled caste persons were allegedly attacked by an unlawful assembly armed with deadly weapons. An FIR was registered under sections 147, 148, 307, 324, 323 of IPC and sections of SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act. The accused were granted bail in September 2020. What changed everything? While out on bail, 4 of the accused allegedly murdered a key eyewitness to the case. A second FIR was registered under Section 302 IPC. Bail was cancelled in March 2023. The accused surrendered. Justice seemed to be back on track, but then came back a surprise twist. Controversial High Court order. The Madurai bench of the Madras High Court granted fresh bail in the attempt to murder case and directed a joint trial of both the attempt to murder and murder cases. The victim argued that Section 15 of A of 5 of SC/ST Act was violated. The Supreme Court clarified the law grantees a right to be heard, not a right to a favorable outcome. Since objections were recorded, no procedural violation was found, but that was not the end of the matter. Let us know why the bail was cancelled. The Supreme Court came down heavily on the High Court. It held that the bail order ignored prior cancellation of bail, overlooked murder of a material witness, failed to access criminal antecedents, disregarded witness intimidation, treated grave offences casually. Justice Mahadevan observed, recording criminal antecedents without evaluating their impact amounts to an empty formality, and further, ignoring abuse of liberty and prior cancellation of bail renders the order manifestly perverse. The Supreme Court set aside the bail order, directed the accused to surrender within 2 weeks, reaffirmed that liberty cannot destroy the fairness of trial. Key takeaway: bail is a privilege, not a license to kill. When you get a bail, it doesn't mean that you have a license to kill. When liberty is abused, justice responds. It's Lakshmanan versus State through the Deputy Superintendent of Police and others. And finally, this judgment sends a clear message to every court in the country. So, stay informed, protect the rights, and follow the law. And for more legal knowledge, stay connected with me and my channel. Thank you.